In this video, we're going to learn how to make a free landing page using Canva step by step, even if you've never designed anything before.
Canva is a versatile online design platform that allows you to create almost any type of visual content, from social media posts to presentations, marketing materials, and of course, landing pages. What makes Canva so popular is that it combines simplicity with powerful tools, allowing beginners and professionals alike to design visually appealing content without needing advanced design skills. Landing pages are essential parts of any business or online presence. They're the pages where visitors land after clicking on an advertisement, email, or social media post, and they are designed to guide the visitor towards a specific action, like signing up for a newsletter, purchasing a product, or downloading a resource. A well-designed landing page can significantly increase conversions and help your business grow, and that's why using a tool like Canva can be a game changer. One of the most powerful features of Canva is its flexibility. You can create landing pages for any purpose, whether it's to showcase a product, promote an event, capture leads, or provide information. You can start by choosing a template that matches your goal and then customize every aspect of it. Canva also provides tools for editing text, changing fonts, adjusting colors, cropping images, and adding effects, which means your landing page can reflect your brand's style perfectly. Canva is more than just a design tool. It's a comprehensive platform that empowers anyone to create professional, visually appealing landing pages quickly and easily. By using Canva, you can design pages that look polished, maintain brand consistency, and help achieve your business goals. Understanding the importance of a landing page and combining it with Canva's tools can make a huge difference in your online presence, whether you're building a business, promoting a service, or simply sharing information. The very first thing you need to do after creating your Canva account is look for templates. From the Canva homepage, go to the Templates section. Here, you'll see different categories like presentations, social media, videos, print products, and more. At the top, use the search bar and type in landing page, then press enter. Once you do that, Canva will show you many different landing page templates you can choose from. At this stage, you don't need to worry about the content inside the template. Focus more on the layout and elements that fit your needs. You can always edit the text and images later. For this tutorial, I'm going to choose a simple landing page template. Once you find one you like, click on it and then select Customize this template. Canva will open the editor so you can start working on it. Now that the editor is open, you'll notice that Canva's tools are very powerful and easy to use. If you're using a template, all you need to do is click on any element you want to edit. For example, when you click on text, you'll see options at the top to change the font, size, color, and more. If you click on a different element, the tools will automatically change based on what you selected. Let's say you want to change the main image. On the left-hand side, you'll see different sections like Design, Elements, Text, Uploads, and more. If you already have your own image, you can upload it using the Upload section. In this example, I'm going to use a free image from Canva. I'll go to Elements, search for environmental-related images, and then switch to the Photos section. Once I find an image I like, I'll drag and drop it onto the existing image to replace it. After placing the image, you can click on it and choose the crop option to adjust its position. Once everything looks good, click Done. As you can see, the image updates instantly. Next, you can edit the text by double-clicking on it and typing your own message. You can also change the font, color, and position to make the text stand out better against the background. If you want to improve text visibility, you can use text effects. For example, instead of using a basic effect, you can add a shadow. You can adjust the shadow color, offset, direction, and transparency to make the text clearer and more professional looking. Once you're done with the first page, you can add another page by clicking the plus icon or selecting an existing page from the template. You can customize every page the same way by editing text, images, and elements. If there's a page you don't want, you can delete it easily by clicking the three dots and selecting Delete. You can also add new elements like graphics, icons, photos, or charts. Simply drag and drop them into your design and resize or reposition them as needed. Canva makes it very easy to customize everything without any design experience.
Once you're finished your landing page design, click on the Share button at the top, then choose Download. You'll see different file format options like JPG and PNG. If you want to export it for web use, you can choose the appropriate format and download it. If you want to make your landing page interactive, Canva gives you the ability to link buttons and other elements to different sections of your page, like About, Services, or Contact. This is a simple yet powerful way to guide visitors exactly where you want them to go, creating a smooth and professional user experience. Linking elements helps your visitors navigate easily, and it also makes your landing page feel more dynamic and engaging. To add a link, select the element, click on the three dots in the menu, and choose the Link option. From there, you can link to another page in your design or to an external URL. This works perfectly for buttons, images, or even text, giving you full control over the flow of your page. By linking sections like Services to more detailed pages or Contact to a form or map, you ensure visitors can quickly find the information they need, which can improve conversions and engagement. Canva also allows you to mix and match templates seamlessly. You can add new pages, duplicate existing ones, or combine elements from different templates without affecting your original design. This flexibility means you can experiment with different layouts, colors, fonts, and text styles until your landing page perfectly matches your brand's identity. Speaking of colors and text, Canvas tools let you adjust fonts, sizes, spacing, and colors for every element. You can make headings bold, emphasize important text, or adjust colors to make sure everything is visually appealing and easy to read. These design choices aren't just aesthetic, they help guide your visitors' attention and make your page more effective. Another great aspect is how Canva handles images and graphics. You can upload your own images or select from Canva's library, then crop, resize, and position them exactly where you want. You can also add icons, charts, or other elements to highlight key information. This combination of layout flexibility, text formatting, and visuals makes Canva an ideal platform for creating professional landing pages, even if you've never designed before. Once your landing page is complete, you can export it in formats suitable for web use, making it ready to share with your audience. If you want to take your landing page to the next level, you can integrate it with tools like ThriveCart to turn your designs into high-converting checkout or landing pages. ThriveCart can help boost your conversions by connecting your beautifully designed Canva pages directly to a streamlined sales or sign-up process. Check the link in the description to explore ThriveCart.